Good morning, children. We will continue with our history, chapter 1, and we will move to the topic of Battle of Plassey, that is on page number 5 of your textbook. Now, this Battle of Plassey took place between whom? Okay, the Battle of Plassey was fought on 23rd June 1757. Now, it was fought between the Nawab of Bengal and the British East India Company, in which East India Company emerged victorious. This battle led to the establishment of company's rule in South Asia. The battle took place at Palashi, that is in Bengal, on the banks of Bhagirathi River near Murshidabad, then capital of undivided Bengal. Okay, that Murshidabad was capital of Bengal. The two forces were Sirajuddaulah, the last independent Nawab of Bengal, and the British East India Company. Now, why this battle took place? Now, at that time, Sirajuddaulah was ruling over Bengal. Okay, see here, it is the figure of Sirajuddaulah and Robert Clive. The Battle of Plassey took place between these two persons, we can say, the Nawab of Bengal Sirajuddaulah and Colonel Robert Clive. Now see, causes of the battle. Now Sirajuddaulah was ruling over Bengal at that time, and he had captured, or we can say he had a disputed secession of secession matlab capturement in Bengal. Now at that time British had built trade centers in Kolkata. Okay, they built a fortress or trade centers in Kolkata, and the reasons they gave that we are building these fort due to the security reasons. And at that time these Britishers did not took the permission of Sirajuddaulah. उन्होंने कोई परमिशन नहीं लिया और पूरा एक फोर्ट बना दिया इन कलकत्ता. Okay, now Sirajuddaulah became very angry. Okay, this was one type of disrespect of Nawab, okay, by the Britishers. They did not took the permission of Nawab of Bengal and constructed a fort over there. Okay, and on the other side, what were the Britishers doing? The Britishers used to help Sirajuddaullah's rivals मतलब opponents, isn't it? जो उनके दुश्मन थे Sirajuddaulah, the Britishers used to help all these rivals. Another small reasons were anti-Hindu policies of the Nawab, isn't it? Somewhere Nawab was on the sides of Muslim and he was anti-Hindu. So the Hindu people started disliking their own Nawab. Then British alignment with discontented Hindus. What did the Britishers do? They used to join hands with the discontented Hindus. Discontented मतलब जिन हिंदूज को नवाब अच्छा नहीं लगता था, they were not satisfied with their own nawab. So these Hindus, discontented Hindus, they used to join hands with the Britishers. Refusal of British to stop fortifications. These Britishers used to fortify the areas. Fortify करना मतलब जब्त करना. They used to start capturing the areas, isn't it? Fortify, अपने fort बना देते थे. Trade centers उन्होंने start कर दिया बना. Excuse me. And that too we can say ज़बरदस्ती सब बनाना start कर दिया, and that too without the permission of the Nawab. And misuse of the trade privileges. उनको permission तो दी गई थी trade करना, but now they started misusing that permissions, isn't it? Permission लेकर trade करो was okay, but what did these Britishers do? Without taking the permission, they started doing trade, they started constructing their fort. So because of all these things, what happened? Nawab, this Sirajuddaulah, he became very angry and he destroyed the fort being set up in Kolkata without the permission. जो उन्होंने पूरा fort बनाया था, तो Sirajuddaulah destroyed that fort. Okay, now ये जो news था कि Sirajuddaulah ने पूरा fort destroy कर दिया है in Kolkata, that reached to Madras, and at that time in Madras there was English Lord, we can say Robert Clive. He got the news कि Sirajuddaulah ने पूरा fort destroy कर दिया है. So what did he do? He, along with his army, Robert Clive, I am saying, along with his army, he reached to Kolkata, isn't it? Now see what happened. Siraj, he reached to Kolkata, and this we can say Robert Clive was with the intention that we will have a fight with Sirajuddaulah. Okay. Now Sirajuddaulah had a numerically superior force, about 50,000 soldiers he had, means he had a very strong army, and made his stand at Plassey. Even Sirajuddaulah was ready to fight with Robert Clive. Okay. Even Robert Clive's army was strong enough, we will say. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं था, but Sirajuddaullah's army was more stronger. Okay. And then Robert Clive, seeing his army, he realized that it is not an easy task to defeat Sirajuddaulah. Okay. Now the British, worried about being outnumbered, formed a conspiracy with Sirajuddaullah's demoted army chief Mir Jafar. अब जब रॉबर्ट क्लाइव को लगा कि हम अब सिराजुद्दौला को हरा नहीं पाएंगे, तो what did he do? He formed a conspiracy. What do you mean by conspiracy? चाल चलना जिसको बोलते हैं, पीठ पीछे चाल चलना. रॉबर्ट क्लाइव ने एक चाल चला. What did he do? उसका डिमोटेड आर्मी चीफ ऑफिसर था, मतलब सिराजुद्दौला ने उसको अपनी पोस्ट से हटा दिया था. किसको? मिर जाफर को. अब रॉबर्ट क्लाइव व्हाट डिड ही डू? ही कॉन्टैक्टेड मिर जाफर, एंड मिर जाफर के साथ उसने हाथ मिला दिया. ओके. ही जॉइंड हैंड्स विद मिर जाफर. मिर जाफर, राय दुर्लभ and Yar Latuf Khan thus assembled their troops near the battlefield, but made no move to actually join the battle. Now, when the battle was ready, मिर जाफर ने क्या किया? सिराजुद्दौला को धोखा दे दिया. उन्होंने क्या किया? बैटल तक आकर, बैटल फील्ड तक आकर वहाँ पे खड़े तो रह गए, बट देन दे डिड नॉट मेड एनी मूव. ओके. उन्होंने कोई मूव नहीं किया. मूव मतलब दे डिड नॉट हेल्प सिराजुद्दौला. बैटल फील्ड में आके उन्होंने धोखा दे दिया. Sirajuddaullah's army was defeated by roughly 3,000 soldiers of Colonel Robert Clive, owing to the flight of Sirajuddaulah from the battlefield and the inactivity of the conspirators. अब because उन्होंने ये चाल चला तो we can say Sirajuddaulah हार गए. Okay, Robert Clive won. Okay, and Sirajuddaulah had to move away from the battlefield. Okay, now in your textbook also a yellow box is given. Always better learn this, whatever information is given in your yellow boxes. Okay, now according to the plan, Mir Jafar lost the battle, you see. Sirajuddaulah was defeated, and this war was being and ended nearly in half a day. बस आधा दिन ही चला था ये battle. You see Robert Clive meeting with Mir Jafar after the battle of Plassey. You can see the Englishman, and here you can see Mir Jafar. Okay, how they are meeting up after the battle, means Sirajuddaulah को हरा कर. Okay, Mir Jafar lost the battle. Sirajuddaulah was defeated. Battle ended in half a day, and company got free hold over 24 paraganas, isn't it? Now company को मिल गए 24 areas they had captured, and now they started collecting revenues from all these areas. Okay, अब किसको नवाब बना दिया गया? मिर जाफर को. Okay, सिराजुद्दौला तो भाग गया. Okay, and who was made the Nawab of Bengal? Mir Jafar. And this way we can say the British people had laid the foundation. उन्होंने अपना ब्रिटिश रूल का फाउंडेशन lay down किया in India, we can say, and this had happened because of Battle of Plassey. Now see, this is a small I have written, this is not a part in your textbook. Significance of the battle: no military significance, a decisive historic battle, beginning of the new era, means this had the British had started ruling, कब्जा करना जिसको बोलते हैं, ज़बरदस्ती कब्जा करना. So this was the starting of the rule of British people. Economic gains of the English. Now they started collecting revenues from so many areas. So now money wise, the British people started earning from India. Helped in the defeat of the French, isn't it? With the help of the Indians, they started fighting with the French, and this British people became more powerful. So they started defeating the French people also. Transformation in the nature of the East India Company. Now East India Company became more stronger and stronger. Okay, this is just the picture of Mir Jafar of Bengal. Okay, Okay, here also again personal gains of Clive, weakness of Indian political system exposed. इसके बाद क्या हुआ, isn't it? Clive को बहुत सारे अपने benefits मिले. Indian political system was exposed, opening way for new struggles, set a back to the supremacy of Mughal emperor and enhanced the prestige of the company. Okay, पूरा Mughal emperor now came to a stake, धीरे धीरे खत्म होने लगा, and enhance the prestige of the company. The East India Company का पूरा prestige बढ़ने लगा. Okay, all this was about Battle of Plassey. It is a very small topic given in your textbook. Okay, go through it, and even this short note comes in 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay, so read the things from your textbook and you have to write down the answer according to your textbook. All the extra information beta I am giving, this is just for your knowledge, but when you are writing the answer, write the answer that is being given in your textbook. Thank you, children.